Winter is not only cold and short days, but also an amazing time of opportunity. In winter, you can recharge your batteries, grow up personally, and create memories that will stay with you for a long time. In this video, I will tell you how to live this winter as productively and with pleasure as possible, so that every day of it is filled with meaning. Are you ready? Let's go. Winter is an ideal time for self-development because we spend more time at home. Here are some ways to boost yourself. Reading books. Make a winter book list, from classics to modern novels. Read motivational or professional books that will help you at work or study. Try audiobooks for outdoor walks. Learning new things. Take online courses on platforms such as Coursera, Udemy, or Skillshare. Start learning a foreign language. Use apps like Duolingo or Busuu. Learn a new hobby. Planning and goals. Summarize the results of last year and make a list of goals for the new year. Keep a diary or gratitude diary. Create a personal project, blog, YouTube channel, or business. In winter, it is especially important not to forget about yourself. Less sun, less energy, but it's fixable. Body and soul. Practice yoga or meditation to reduce stress. Introduce skincare rituals. In winter, it especially needs hydration. Take a warm bath with fragrant oils or arrange a home spa. Physical activity. Even if you don't feel like going outside, find home workouts on YouTube. Try dancing, stretching, or strength training. Nutrition and health. Prepare warming soups, casseroles, and healthy desserts. Drink herbal teas that support the immune system. Be sure to add vitamins, especially D and C, to support your health. Despite the cold, winter is a time of adventure and fun. Nature walks. Arrange a hike in the forest or park, enjoying the fresh air and winter landscapes. Go sledding, skiing, or skating. Feel like children again. Winter picnic. Take a thermos of hot tea and enjoy nature. Home entertainment. Have an evening of board games with friends or family. Have a movie night with hot chocolate and your favorite movies. Get creative. Draw. Make crafts. Create photo albums. Travels and discoveries. Embark on a mini weekend trip. Explore new cities. Visit winter fairs and festivals. Try relaxing in the mountains or in a cozy country house. Winter's not a time to just get through it, but an opportunity to make your life brighter, richer, and happier. Share in the comments your ideas on how you plan to spend this winter. Subscribe to the channel, like it, and click on the bell so that you don't miss new inspiring videos.